What's up guys? In this video, let me go ahead and show you a software that will definitely help you in your marketing drive. Let's go ahead and check that out. Alright, so this is basically the landing page of WhatsApp Wawpro, and believe me guys, this is very helpful in terms of adding up value into your marketing drive. It's gonna be very easy because it has a lot of different features that you could use, like this one. Let me go ahead and show you quickly the contact list grabber. So when you are in the WA Sender app or the WhatsApp Wawpro tool, you can go ahead and click on this one right here, and then click on contact list grabbers. Once you click on that, you can go ahead and click initiate. Once you click on that, what it does is it opens up the WhatsApp web. Okay, so what it's going to do is it's going to connect or link the WhatsApp Wawpro and grabs the contacts in your WhatsApp account. So let's go back here, and then when you click on grab all saved accounts, it will actually ask you to save it over. So let's say just put 111 and just save it into the desktop. Once you click on save, it will download everything into a file. So let's go ahead and check out that file as well. So it's an Excel file. So you'll see here, these are the numbers and the names of my contacts in my WhatsApp account. So it can do that in your, if you have the WhatsApp Wawpro and you have a WhatsApp account, it can do that link and then make your life so easy by just linking and syncing all the contacts as well as the other different features that I showed you earlier. So let's go back to the website, guys. Let's go ahead and check out the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. So quick support, easy to use. That's very true. It is very user friendly, secure, and you can try it for free. That's the best thing. Okay, so about them, the goal is to efficiently automate the process of sending WhatsApp messages. So WhatsApp is the simplest way to engage with businesses according to 68% of the users. If you haven't explored the WhatsApp, guys, you can go ahead and check that out, load it, and you will see that there are different groups, different chat groups, different things on how you can market your business. Or if you're maybe like a social media marketer or something like that, this will be a powerful tool that you guys need to check out. All right, so get the most powerful bulk WhatsApp sender for your business by Wawpro. So WhatsApp Wawpro, they have 3,421 active customers, 671 business users, 552 download demos, and 73 affiliate sellers. Okay, so let's head on to the features. Let's go ahead and check out what are the main features of WhatsApp Wawpro. So awesome features. Wawpro is the most comprehensive software with the best capabilities to manage your business needs when it comes to quality and perfection. So you have personalized messages, you have import contacts, you have bulk messages. Those are basically important. You have turbo messages, you have number generator, you have filter numbers, export contacts, group contacts, and sending reports. So those are basically the cream of the crop that you could use in your marketing drive. So go ahead and check out their features as well here, so you could read through all of those features here in the website. And let's go on to the pricing right here. Okay, so we want to eliminate manual work and increase your lead conversions with high quality, cost-effective service. So for the basic plan, they have it at $69 lifetime. So that's one license, access all the features, and then lifetime updates. So this is for the basic. And then for the Pro, on the other hand, you have $89.99 lifetime. It's unlimited licenses and access all the features and lifetime updates. So if you're working in a group, you could take advantage of the Pro license. Okay, so you have PayPal, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, BNI, Dana, Mandiri, Ovo. And then let's head on to the FAQs. Okay, so how many WhatsApp messages can I send per day? It is recommended to start with sending 50 messages per day to unknown contacts and gradually increase the number of messages over a few days. Now, will my number be blocked or banned if I will send too many WhatsApp messages? So the answer to that is the likelihood of your WhatsApp account being blocked depends on the level of activity on your account, or if you regularly engage in conversations and have a balance of incoming and outgoing messages, then the chances of being blocked are low. So that is the answer to that. So what are the anti-block settings? In our software, there are some delay. So that is like the precautionary measure. That way, you don't send too many messages all at once. So it's like you're regulating the number of messages that you are going to be sending on a given time. Okay, so you have other questions here as well. You have PC requirements. Can you provide a free trial? So this is one of the important questions that we need to answer. It's great to know that you offer a free trial of your software. To access the free trial, users can contact through live chat and then send a request email to email@gmail.com. So it is important to specify the length of the free trial and any limitations or restrictions that apply. So you can go ahead and check out this section of the website if you have any questions or for the frequently asked questions for the WhatsApp Web Pro. All right, so this is the WhatsApp Web Pro, guys. And what it does is it can send messages automatically as you set it. So let's go ahead and check out all of the features that you could use with WhatsApp Web Pro. So first off, you could grab group members. So once you click on grab now, it will take you to this window. You just have to click on initiate and it will automatically connect to your WhatsApp software. So you just have to log into your WhatsApp software once. That when you initiate, it will automatically synchronize with it. So once it is initialized, it will tell you on the right side right here that it's initialized and you could start grabbing. So open any group chat and click button below. So when you click on this one, it will browse through all of the group chats that you have in your WhatsApp account and it will be able to, you could select that. Okay, so when you select it, it's going to take note of that. Now, next feature would be the grab WhatsApp group links from the web page. So once you click on grab now, it will take you to this window and you just have to initialize that again. It's like connecting or synchronizing it to your web browser this time. And then it will take note of the group links that it's going to be showing in the search results. All right, so that is your grab group links. Next feature would be the WhatsApp autoresponder bot. This is one very, very helpful feature that you could use. So once you click on add rule, and then when you put in what keyword it's going to look forward to, and then you could say exact, you could say contains or start from or ends with, it will add the message that you type in here. So once you click on add, the one that it will be using once it detects that the keyword was received. All right, so it's pretty much straightforward. I'm sure it's gonna be easy for you to use this. So going back, moving on to the next one would be contact list grabber. So once you click on grab now and click on click to initiate, it will again connect to your WhatsApp account, and then once it's initialized, you could grab all the saved contacts in your contact list for your WhatsApp software. Okay, so that's what it does. Next one would be the Google Map data extractor. This is one thing that I personally love the most, guys. When you're doing lead generation and those kind of stuff, this is something that is really very, very helpful. So let's say pet shop or pet shops. That's the search term that I would like to search in Google Maps. It will show me all of the pet shops, and once you click on start grabbing, look what it does right here. See, bam, you have the address, you have the name, and then you have the details, your website as well. If it has mobile numbers, it will also take note of that. So this is something that, in my personal take, this is my favorite. So let's go ahead and stop that. Next one would be the Auto Group Joiner. Now, the Auto Group Joiner is partnered with the Group Finder. Okay, so Once you found groups, like let's start off with this one, say pets. Once you click on start, what it does is it finds all the pet groups in WhatsApp, and you can import it in the group joiner, and then click to initiate to connect to your WhatsApp, and then start joining means it will join all of the groups here. Now it also has its delay function. That way it's not your account, your WhatsApp account will not be associated with like a spam account or something like, or a bot account. So there is a delay. Okay, so that is the functionality for that one. So group joiner and group finder, that's one. Next up would be WhatsApp number filter. This is basically taking the number for the contact list. It grabs the phone number for the contact that you did. Okay, so grab active group members. So once you click on that, it will grab the group members for the group chats that you joined as well. So this is very helpful when you have like when you joined group chats already. So you could take the group members out of that and add that to your leads. The next one would be grab chat list. So once you click on that, click on initiate. And then when it is initiated, when you click on start grabbing, it will grab that and then save it into an Excel file. Okay, so that is how powerful it is. It will be able to save that into an Excel file, and then you can keep that, and then you could use that or give it to your colleague that also does lead generation. That way they will be able to be the one to contact the contacts. So bulk add group members. So this is like adding all of the group or all of the members in a group that you joined. The process is basically, just initiating again, connecting it, and then start adding it. It's very, very straightforward. The great thing about WhatsApp Web Pro is that they are offering free demonstrations. So you could go ahead and send them an email. That way you will get, and then you could request for a trial period or something. That way you could test it out and see for yourself how powerful this software is. If you're new to the channel, guys, please make sure to click that like, that subscribe, and click the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, things like this that will be able to help you out in the long run. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.